Alright, it's a continuation of my journey through prostate cancer. Now, I've just had my eighth visit with the therapist, and I'm pretty much down to two pads a day, which isn't bad. She had me increase a couple things here, and then monitoring how much you urinate when you wake up in the morning. So I'm kind of going with that, and then I'm getting up once, maybe twice now during the night. So, and it all depends on how much I drank during the day. Okay, so I guess with that said, I can close out on this one. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs on the human drama and journey through prostate cancer.